All right, ladies and gentlemen, you know where you're at. This is your host with the most. As always, how is everybody doing out there? Hopefully, everybody's having a fine, peaceful, and a productive day. They went and did it. They did it. I don't understand how these guys always set the bar. Shout out to the XENON crew. All right. They have really went and did it. At this point, I had a couple of videos I was gonna do, and I know. I'm not showing you anything, but this is an opportunity for you to show yourself. Okay? Went into the Wizard this morning, and the XENON 3.0 was out. I said, whoa. I have a habit of checking, Wizards. See, and only, Omega is out, and, I just want to see what people are doing. These guys have actually remarkably just changed the game already with Omega. I like it. I don't even think I like it. I think I love it. You guys got to check this out. I didn't want to change a thing here. Your MP, all of that stuff that I be doing is already, the input, stream, adaptive, and everything. Now, you will have to write your advanced settings. I always recommend that. Just click on this main menu. If you click on this main menu, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. I don't know what they've done. They've done some things. I will go into the store and see if they have any other download codes. But if they don't, I'm still gonna leave the video in the back of this video. Is gonna be in the same video. Not hard to navigate. I would recommend going down to your widgets, your sub menu widgets right here, and clicking into the first thing. Man, I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. You guys just gonna have to see it for yourself. It's nothing I can tell you. It's nothing I can go on this video to tell you or show you anything. You have to experience this. This is an experience. All right, if you guys know a little bit about what I'm talking about, this is an experience. Please, I will leave my email. If you guys need help, I know some people might need help. I will leave my email. Contact me if you need some help. I don't even know what to say, man. I don't know what to say. I really don't. I don't know what to say. They really did it, and I'm glad they did do it. Let me know if you guys get this. Please let me know in the comments below how you feel about it. If you like the video, like it. If you don't, dislike it. But please let me know how you guys like this one. I just had to bring it. It does go on the official. Okay? It does go on the official. Let me know, people. As always, I'm hoping you guys are having a blessed, peaceful, and a productive day. Love and peace for all. Never forget, it is good to be good, and it is bad to be bad. I'm going to see you guys on the next one, y'all. Peace, man. This is crazy. All right, people. Welcome back to the stage. As promised, I said if I got 100 likes on that particular video, I would be putting this out. I know a lot of people have been asking for it. Real life video, nothing really. What I'm going to do is go to the RC2, the Omega RC2. Okay, and this is in the store. Now, I haven't found out how to get the store again, but if you guys want to, if you got a downloader, here it is right here. Now on this particular one, you have 3 RC2s. Okay. Now if you notice this downloader code right here, everybody should have downloader. Okay. Now if you don't want to use the downloader, you can just use this here. Real simple and light, people. It's nothing really. There's nothing really here I can tell you more about this. I mean, this is pretty much self-explanatory. But like I said, if you got downloader, this would be, you know, my go-to. Okay? And none of them are the same. So, I mean, I don't know what to say. It is what it is. Okay? You got plenty other things in here. Let me see. What else can I show you on here? It's not really, if you guys are still on Nexus, okay, nah, that ain't a good look. But I really just came here for the Omega. You know, and these actually work right alongside of these. Well, one of these you can only get one, I'm thinking. Either 64 or 32, but that's pretty much it. I'm not going to sit here and take too long on this. All of them work side by side. I got like 8 of them. Let me know how you guys like this video. If y'all get a chance, like, share, and subscribe, but most of all, comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bells, people. As always, I'm hoping you guys are having a blessed, peaceful, and a productive day. Love and peace for all. Never forget, it is good to be good, and it is bad to be bad. Let me know if you guys want to see some more Nexus. If you guys want to see some more Nexus, put it in the comments below. I got a couple. Really not on Nexus no more, man. I'm on Omega, so it's kind of weird to go back to Nexus. I'm hoping everybody make the change soon when it gets official. But for me right now, Omega is working beautifully. Way better than 19 worked, if you wanna be real. But just let me know what you guys think of the video, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all again, man. Peace.